Hey guys,
Hi.
and welcome to the part 2 of our Ubud vlog.
We're heading to the cave waterfall and another waterfall. Don't ask me how it's called. And then we're going to other 2 temples, so we have a lot to do today and we didn't eat anything yet. So let's go.
Go.
The moment's gone before I realize I was out of my way.
So we're here after 45 minutes of driving and it's packed. And we still have a little other problem. And, I wanted to withdraw money from an ATM, but it didn't work. So we have about 40,000 left. So let's see if we can go into the waterfall. Our last money.
Where are you from?
So we spent the last money on our ticket here. Let's see how this goes.
We have like literally no cent.
Yeah, we don't have anything. It's so nice, this walk next to this like river.
Guys, we arrived to the cave waterfall. So nice. There are so many people here. We actually had to wait in line for half an hour. And we got totally wet. Before you go back, definitely check out the second waterfall.
So we just finished the cave waterfall, and because we don't have any money anymore, we're gonna go straight back to Ubud, change some money, and then we're gonna eat something, and hopefully we still have enough time to see the temple. We found this amazing flower field just besides the street, and we decided to stop.
Those are the flowers that they usually put in front of their temples, and they just put everywhere. Like, I think it has a religious meaning, because like
Yeah.
we always see them
They're
in
so
temples.
pretty.
So they're so pretty, but they don't smell as good as they look.
Yeah, I thought it look.
As good as they look.
We just parked our motorcycle, and now we're looking for the entrance. And I think we're just walking also kind of through the art market, which is a fruit and vegetable market in the morning, and then it turns into an art clothes market later in the day. I think it's like 8 or 9 a.m. which is pretty cool. Okay, apparently there's no entrance, and we also don't have to wear anything else, which is very funny.
We can be naked.
We can be naked, and this is gorgeous. It's just so fucking gorgeous. Wow. Oh, I think the reason why you don't have to wear anything is because the temple is actually behind, and this is only the entrance way. And yeah, it's very pretty from the outside with all the lotus. There are no flowers, but leaves. Now we're gonna eat something, and I think that's gonna be it for the day because we are very exhausted. And then tomorrow we're gonna look at the Elephant Cave Temple. I think it's called. I will check. So we chose to go to the restaurant. Where is it? Alchemy.
We ordered now 1 pizza, 1 vegan raw pizza, and 1 teriyaki bowl with brown rice and other green stuff.
It's so good. It's so good.
Got it.
So we're now leaving. What do we call it again? Alchemy. And we're gonna see each other tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So now we're gonna head to the, wait, let me see, Goya Cave Temple, which is like the Elephant Cave Temple, also known for the Instagram pictures. We arrived. The ticket prices are 50k per person, which is, I think, a little bit extreme. But what to do? It's the most expensive that we paid so far, and let's see if it's worth it. We decided to go down to the river, and there a Hindu monk asked us if we wanted to be blessed, and that's what we did. And we dropped the flowers that we got into the river. We're now leaving the temple area, heading back to change real quick because we are melting. It's so hot.
It's actually really hot.
Then we're gonna have breakfast at this really cool place. I think it's called
It
Cafe.
would be more like a lounge, I think.
More like lunch. And then we're heading to the waterfalls. Freshly showered and changed, we head out. If we have an accident with this helmet, I'm gonna die.
Of course, it's way too big.
Good cookie. Good coffee.
That stays in my head because that's the like.
Cheers.
Come on, you gotta like. I can feel that you're carrying a lot of stuff.
That's our food.
It's called the big salad. Like now I know why.
It's huge. Wow. I love it.
We're ready to go to the waterfall.
Yeah, and yeah, this place probably was not our favorite. We just arrived.
20 each.
20 each.
We're going to the waterfall. How is it called? The waterfall?
You have my headphones, I don't know. Anyways, this waterfall was the last time one of my favorite waterfalls.
And I can't even remember this waterfall.
I don't know why. It has something special. This waterfall.
I think the rice paddies or the rice.
No,
fields
I don't know
all
what
over
it
the
is, but
place.
this was one of my favorites. Even though it's very touristic. So now the mystery solved.
Tipu Mama. Oh yeah.
And then I can remember that like he was like the guy flying the drone and we didn't have a drone, and I was like,
And we
I
were
want
like,
a
oh,
drone.
so jealous.
This was the decision I made.
Look how beautiful all the plants are.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you walk over these bridges, you feel like you're gonna fall
right?
in, and it's like so insecure. I don't know.
But
Unstable, I
the
mean.
deep. If you fall, you
The
won't
bridge
die.
is not insecure. What?
If you fall, you won't die.
Yeah, you won't die. So. So, up here again. This is by far one of our favorite waterfalls. It's so pretty. I know it's like so touristic,
But for a reason.
but this is just amazing.
And we're sweating
And we're sweating,
so bad.
like always, when we go up. Bye, lovely home. Waiting for our grab, right?
Yeah, he's coming in 3 minutes. Hello. Wait, I help. This is very heavy. Our food vlog number 2 finishes here, and we're currently on the beach in Canggu. We just checked in our yoga retreat. We booked a low-budget yoga retreat for 6 nights. And if you want to know how are our thoughts about it, if we like it or not, just follow the next vlog. And